I'm gonna ask you to stay open for something new here. I know your life is probably not easy, and right now you're probably stressed about something. I want you to believe in yourself and make yourself proud. I have a little challenge for you. Just for 10 minutes, don't lose interest. I'm purposefully not editing this video. I don't want you to give any dopamine hits or something and make you forget whatever you're trying to push down. Just stay with me for a while here. Thank you. Okay, let's take a deep breath together. Let's calm down a bit. I want to ask you something. What is a good friend? Is it someone you can trust? I think it's someone you can chill with sometimes. Honestly, I don't know. That's why I'm asking. Many of my friends are so different when I think about it. I think the main reason they are my friends is because I let them into my soul. I want you to do that today, but a bit differently from what you're used to. Here's another question. Isn't this like super cool? We don't even know each other, but I feel like I'm talking to a friend right now. And I hope it feels like you're listening to a friend. And it feels like we're having this connection. I hope this bond will be enough so we can try to do something interesting and fun here. I mean, I'm recording this just to make someone's day better, and hopefully it's you. But before we find your new friend, I want to show you something. Or I want to try something with you. I don't care where you are, if you're eating food at home or somewhere, or if you're in bed listening to me, or maybe you're on the bus on your way home, or maybe you're stuck in the bathroom like I always get with social media. No, I want you to just smile. Just force out the smile. I'll do it with you, okay? Here we go. Now we're smiling together. Oh fuck, I'm laughing. Okay. Good job. I made you smile, I hope. That's pretty cool. Like, imagine we're just smiling together. I have no idea where you are, and we're just smiling together. I think I'm gonna do that in every first video. Just force you to smile, whether you like it or not. We need to smile more, right? Yeah, okay, back to friendship stuff. Something I've been thinking about a lot is that every generation before us has seen less of the world because we see everything on social media, but they've also seen more of the world together with others. To meet others, you had to go outside, and to see the world, you had to go outside. I think we have taken for granted how we learn how to connect. I know this is not a hot take, but it's like you don't get to know someone just by adding them on Insta. I mean, like, actually connecting with both ourselves and the souls around us. Both the world and the people. I don't know, I was walking in a deep forest in central Sweden a couple months ago, and it was just the most beautiful experience I ever had. And I was doing it with some people, and we were just talking. And I asked myself, why haven't I gone out more to the forest? Why am I thinking constantly about, like, salary and what kind of central apartment I want to live in, and I'm still just home staring at screens. Why does it matter where I live or what salary I have? Like, shouldn't we try to get closer to the nature, to the people around us? Well, it sounds smart. It sounds maybe a bit cheesy, but it sounds easy, right? But still, I'm still in front of screens like everyone else. I think everybody in our generation has had this thought, but yet we're staying inside watching these screens alone. Well, you're not watching it alone. You're with me now. We're pals, right? The thing is, the point with this video is that we forget that these videos are watched by so many people. Like, so many people are watching these videos all the time. And I bet that these people are more similar than you think. Actually think about this now. Imagine someone else watching this video right now, the same exact second you're watching it. What are you imagining? A girl? A boy? On what continent? In what country? Every view this video has is a real person with real dreams, and they shared that smile with you and me that we had before. I don't know, it's pretty daring to think about it when I say it like that, but I think it's a cool thing when I read YouTube comments. And I feel like a bit sad that we're just commenting and then just going to the next video, forgetting what we just shared with so many other people. Even if, like, let's say this video just gets 10 views, which I will be lucky for. That's 10 people that enjoyed this together. Okay, so here's your mission. If you don't do this, that's okay, but it will mean a lot to me. I want you to go down to the comment section and write about yourself. Who are you? What you feel, what you're thinking about. Not like this classic, like, oh, hello, I'm Ebba, I'm 22 and I love ice cream. Like that's what you say at the start of a new class. Give everyone that is connecting with us here right now a chance to look inside your soul. Tell me something that you really care about or have been thinking about. Something that really shows us who you are. Try to put it into words. While you're thinking about that, I can share a piece of my soul, if that's okay. One piece is that I can't stop playing Clash Royale right now. I know I'm like 6 years late, but I've never played like mobile games before, and I downloaded it last month and I can't stop playing, and my friends are making so much fun of me. But I don't know, I think it's fun. The other piece that I want to share is that I'm a bit scared. I'm 25 and I don't know what happened, but I suddenly feel so old. My early 20s felt like, I was a young adult and people was like, oh, I will figure out stuff when I get older, when I'm grown up. But now I'm actually feeling grown up and I feel like I should have more of my life together, It stresses me a bit. But I'm also at peace. That's why I'm doing this video a bit. I found my calling. Everyone's so alone and sad. And I want to save people. It sounds cheesy, but hey, you live for what you want to live for, right? We have a beautiful world and I want people to experience that. Anyways, there you go. That's like 2 bits of my soul. Now it's your turn. Come on, write a couple sentences. And I will read it, I promise you. I'm like really looking forward to it. Don't worry about anything, just share and connect with everyone here. You can pause the video if you want to. Okay. Did you write? Good job. You can pat yourself on the back. Pretend it's me. I'm patting you on the back right now. If you didn't, that's fine, of course, but what am I gonna do about it? I'm not your boss. I'm literally just a random guy out in the world. You do whatever your heart tells you to do. Either way, if you're just here still watching, I'm very happy. And I'm also happy if you would just spread some positivity down there in the comment section with others. Like, tell them you're proud of them or give them a little online hug. Just you watching this video that I'm making is making me so happy. So I know that you can make someone else happy just by liking their comment or something. I know how much it means to me, and I don't know, you would just make someone else's day happier, right? Like, what's the harm, Oh, I'm looking forward to reading what you wrote. In my head, like, you're my age, But maybe this crazy algorithm will lead me to like 10 grandmas in Portugal, or like a high school student in Texas, or like a football player in Brazil. I have no idea. You know, I'm just a Swedish guy. I have no idea how it is to live that kind of life. It would be super fun to hear who you are. If you are a grandma, please tell me how it is, like actually, or anything else. Anyways, this video is that. I hope maybe you find a friend, you know? This video is also like my beginning, my rebirth in a way. I've decided what I'm going to do. People around me are getting their first and second jobs, and everyone's just a consultant or something, and that's not really my passion. I want to bring people together. I know so many depressed people, and I can't take it anymore. Like, there's so many beautiful people out there, and I just want people to have friends. Maybe I will fail, but I hope if I made you a bit happier or a bit less stressed, I will be happy with my life. So if you smiled during this video, thank you. And I hope you will join me for more. It's been a pleasure. Thanks.